Hi, I'm Alex, owner of Clemens Aviation. We've got 24 Beechjets in our fleet, and we plan on upgrading all of them with the lithium batteries pending their phase of inspection. The STC with the lithium batteries was pretty straightforward. There's minimal modifications depending on the serial number that you put in, but overall no surprises. The benefits of the True Blue battery we're seeing is the higher rotation starts as far as N2 rotation, the cooler ITT, increased dispatch reliability compared to the lead acids, and the weight savings. Well, the technicians love the weight savings. Before we were constantly battling, having to pick and choose who's putting the battery in and out. It was an 80-pound battery, and putting it in a really small hole makes things difficult. So shedding all that weight, we get a lot less grumblings from our technicians. The N2 rotation was surprising. It seemed like we were on a GPU when we actually weren't. Another dispatch issue we see on Beechjets is starter generator life. We've been stranded before by dead lead acid batteries, and we're trying to avoid that. One thing we're hoping with the lithium batteries is to see the higher rotation help extend the brush life on these generators.
Pause system test. Okay. Pause system test. Okay.
For me, the thing that stood out right away was the True Blue display. Seeing direct battery indication and amperage and percentage of charge. I'm kind of a geek, so I like that stuff. We're very excited about the lithium battery for the Beechjet platform. So whenever you Beechjet operators are ready to save weight and increase dispatch reliability, it's a pretty easy sell.